Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your EVS class. How are you all? I hope you all are well at your home. You are safe at your home. So, dear students, in our previous class, we read chapter Growing Up and we did book exercises of the same chapter, right? So, today we will first recapitulate the chapter and after that we will do the question answers. Okay? So, beta, this is chapter number 4 of your EVS book, Growing Up. Name of the chapter is Growing Up. We learned from this chapter, all living things grow. We learned जो भी living things होती हैं वो grow करती हैं, वो बड़ी होती हैं. Living things like plants, animal, insects, human beings, all. Okay. So, they all grow. And second thing we learned from this chapter, a seed grows into a plant. वी लर्न जो भी सीड प्लांट होता है वो पहले क्या होता है सीड देन इट बिकम्स सीडलिंग अ यंग प्लांट सेकेंड स्टेज इज अ यंग प्लांट सीडलिंग एंड आफ्टर दैट इट बिकम्स अ grown up big plant, right? And now we learned about the stages of bird. Okay, so bird was first an egg. बर्ड क्या था पहले एग था आफ्टर दैट इट बिकम्स नेस्टलिंग अ बेबी बर्ड. बेटा जैसे ही एग हैच आउट होता है एग ब्रेक होता है देन इट बिकम्स नेस्लिंग. तो क्या बन जाता है ये नेस्लिंग. ओके, नेस्लिंग क्या होता है अ बेबी बर्ड. ओके, सो बेबी बर्ड बन जाता है आफ्टर दैट इट बिकम्स अ ग्रोन अप ब्यूटिफुल बर्ड. Okay, so and third thing we learned from this chapter, which is very important, that there are 5 stages of human being. Human being की 5 stages होती हैं. We learned first it was a baby, है ना. First it was a baby boy or baby girl, right? After that it becomes he or she becomes boy child और girl child. ओके, जैसे वो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है वो क्या बन जाता है बॉय चाइल्ड और गर्ल चाइल्ड. ओके, आफ्टर दैट इट बिकम्स ही और शी बिकम्स टीनेजर. टीनेजर मीन्स द एज बिटवीन 13 to 19. जब उनकी एज 13 to 19 होती है देन दे बिकम टीनेजर. ओके, चाहे वो गर्ल हो चाहे वो बॉय हो. आफ्टर दैट they become a girl become a woman like her mother and adult. Okay, so a girl become an adult a woman. Okay, and then boys become a man like their father. Okay, then they both are adult. Okay, 4 stages adult. Okay, then the फिफ्थ स्टेज इज ओल्ड मैन. फिफ्थ स्टेज इज ओल्ड मैन. ओल्ड मैन क्या होता है जो बड़े हो जाते हैं लाइक आर ग्रैंड फादर ग्रैंड मदर. ओके, तो एडल्ट मैन बिकम्स ओल्ड मैन लाइक आर ग्रैंड फादर एंड ओल्ड विमेन इज sorry, women becomes a old women like our grandmother. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Book exercises we have already done, dear students, and now we will do some question answers of the chapter. Okay, so these are the question answers. First of all, you open your notebook and write page number here. I have not written, okay, but you will write here page number according to your notebook. After that you will mention the date, and what date is today? 4th May 2020. So you will write like this 4/5/20. After that you will write here CW. CW means classwork, and then you will write the day. Today is Monday and M should be capital of Monday. Then you will write the chapter number and the name of the chapter. Chapter number is 4. Chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Growing Up. So we will write like this. And after that we are writing question answers. That's why we will write Q4 questions and oblique answers. Okay, like this. and we will leave one line here. Okay, I have already left, so you will also leave. Then question number 1, what is a seedling? W is capital here because we learned from English grammar that when we start any new sentence, so the first letter of the word should be capital. Okay, so W is capital here, and we will write question mark here because it's a question. Okay, what is a seedling? And we read in this chapter number 4, what is a seedling? Seedling क्या होती है? A baby plant. Okay. Now you will write answers, and then T should be capital because it's also a new sentence. The seed first grows into a small plant. सीड जो होता है वो ग्रो करता है स्मॉल प्लांट में, बेबी प्लांट में. ओके, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सीडलिंग. द सीड फर्स्ट ग्रोज इनटू अ स्मॉल प्लांट called seedling. Okay, you will write like this. Even I will share in group also. Okay, I will share the pic and you can do from there also. And here, after completing every sentence, we have to put full stop. I have already done, so you will also do. Okay, now after this, after completing the first question, we will leave one line. Then question number 2, what? Again W is capital. What is a nestling? And then question mark. What is a nestling? We learned. So here answer. When a tiny egg hatches, a baby bird comes out, which is called a seedling. Again W is capital. जब भी बेटा टाइनी एग हैच आउट होता है ना, तो उसमें से क्या निकलता है? एक लिटिल बर्ड, बेबी बर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेस्टलिंग. ओके, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेस्टलिंग. व्हेन ए टाइनी एग हैचेस अ बेबी बर्ड comes out, which is called a nestling. Okay, after that we will put full stop here after completing this sentence. Okay, beta, one more thing I want to tell you. You do your work neatly and with proper formation. Okay, I will share the pic in the group also. Okay, so dear student, today's homework is activity project. Here I will discuss with you. Take a measuring tape and measure the different parts of your body and the same parts of your father, mother. Okay, then write the difference in measurement. First, what you will do? Here are the serial number, then parts of body. कौन कौन से पार्ट्स आपको मेजर करने हैं? Then father, mother size or difference. Here, what you will do? You have inchy tape at your home. You have tape at your home. With the help of the tape, what you will do? You will first measure the hand of your father or mother. किसी एक का लेना है आपने, या मम्मा का या पापा का. Okay, after that you will measure. Okay, then what you will do? Then you will measure yours. आप अपना measure करोगे. ठीक है. Then you will find the difference. Difference मतलब लेट सपोज पापा का 18 इंचज़ का हैंड है या मम्मा का 18 इंचज़ का हैंड है और आपका कितना है? 13 इंचज़. तो डिफरेंस क्या आया? 5. आप 18 में से 13 को माइनस करोगे और जो आंसर आएगा यू विल राइट इट हियर लाइक दिस. ओके, you all have measuring tape at your home. In the same way you will measure the leg, finger, face. Okay, you will do this activity. It's your homework. Okay, if you don't have books, then you can do it in your notebook. I will share in group also. Okay, so you can do from there. Okay dear student, today's class is over. Okay, so you do your work neatly, beautifully. After that you can share on my personal number. Okay dear students. Okay beta, today's class is over. Goodbye, have a nice day.